Have you ever felt that sinking feeling in your stomach when you're rushing through a crowded airport, trying to find your gate with minutes to spare? Or perhaps you've been hit with unexpected baggage fees that completely blew your travel budget. Airport stress is real, but it doesn't have to be part of your journey. Today we're revealing 7 game-changing airport hacks that seasoned travelers use but rarely share. These aren't your standard arrive early tips. These are clever, sometimes surprising strategies that can transform your entire airport experience. From avoiding fees to bypassing long lines, these hacks work in airports worldwide and are especially effective in 2025's evolving travel landscape. Hack number 4 will save you from wandering aimlessly through terminal mazes, and hack number 6, that one might just get you compliments from flight attendants while keeping you comfortable for hours. Ready to navigate airports like a pro? These 7 secrets might just make you actually look forward to your next flight. Let's dive in. 1. Flight tracking smartphone trick. Let's kick things off with a powerful hack that puts flight information at your fingertips, literally. Did you know your smartphone has a hidden feature that instantly turns any flight number into a real-time tracking tool? Here's how it works. When you receive your flight confirmation, locate your flight number. It's typically a combination of letters and numbers like UA482 or DL1077. Instead of downloading yet another app or constantly refreshing the airline website, simply open your messaging app and text the flight number to yourself. Magic happens when your phone recognizes this as flight information and converts it into a clickable link. Tap that link, select Preview Flight, and voila! You'll instantly see gate information, departure status, estimated arrival time, and even which baggage claim carousel your luggage will arrive on. The beauty of this trick is that it updates in real time, so you'll know about gate changes or delays before announcements are even made. And here's a bonus tip: share this flight number with anyone picking you up. They'll be able to track your exact arrival time without you having to send updates during your journey. This simple yet powerful hack eliminates the need to squint at departure boards or constantly check airline apps. It's like having a personal flight assistant in your pocket. 2. Luggage dimension checking. Want to avoid those awkward moments at check-in when your perfectly sized carry-on suddenly doesn't fit the airline's requirements? Here's a tech-savvy solution that's already on your smartphone. Most modern smartphones come with a built-in measurement app that can save you from unexpected baggage fees. Before heading to the airport, simply open your phone's Measure app and scan your fully packed luggage. Measure the height, width, and depth of both your carry-on suitcase and personal item bag. This small step is increasingly crucial as airlines tighten their baggage policies. If your personal item exceeds the allowed dimensions, it might be counted as your carry-on allowance, forcing you to check your actual carry-on at inflated prices. Remember that baggage allowances vary significantly between airlines and ticket classes. What fits on one flight might incur fees on another. For reference, always check your specific airline's website for current requirements, especially if you purchased a basic economy ticket, as these often have stricter limitations. Taking 2 minutes to measure your bags before leaving home can save you both money and airport stress. 3. Strategic arrivals and departures. Here's an insider secret that frequent flyers use to bypass airport traffic jams: strategic use of arrival and departure levels. During morning rush hours when departure lanes resemble parking lots, head to the arrivals level instead. Early mornings typically see fewer arriving flights, making the lower level relatively quiet. Once inside, simply take an escalator or elevator up to departures. This hack works brilliantly when you want a stress-free drop-off without traffic officers hurrying you along. You'll gain those extra minutes to say proper goodbyes without the chaos of bumper-to-bumper traffic. Similarly, when landing during peak arrival times, arrange to be picked up at the departures level. Your ride can pull up and collect you without circling the terminal repeatedly in congested arrival lanes. This simple level switching technique is particularly effective at major airports where traffic congestion can add significant time and frustration to your journey. The best part? It's completely legitimate. You're simply using airport infrastructure more efficiently than most travelers. Remember to coordinate with your driver beforehand so they know exactly where to find you. With this hack, you'll breeze past the gridlock that traps less informed travelers. 4. Google Maps Airport Navigation. Google Maps isn't just for street navigation, it's actually a powerful tool for mastering airport interiors that can transform how you experience terminals. Most travelers don't realize that Google Maps contains detailed interior layouts of major airports worldwide. Before your trip, open the app and search for your airport. You'll discover comprehensive maps showing everything from gates and security checkpoints to restaurants and restrooms. What makes this hack particularly valuable is the ability to calculate walking times between points. Wondering if you have time for coffee before boarding? Google Maps can tell you exactly how long it takes to walk from that cafe to your gate. This feature helps you make informed decisions about your pre-flight time rather than anxiously guessing. The app also reveals hidden gems within terminals. Instead of settling for the first restaurant you see, explore all your options and discover that local favorite tucked away near Gate B15. You can even use it to locate less crowded restrooms or find the nearest airport lounge. For connecting flights, this tool is invaluable. Check the map before landing to plan your route between gates. Especially helpful when navigating unfamiliar international terminals with limited time. Best of all, you can download these maps to use offline, ensuring you're never lost, even if airport Wi-Fi fails. This simple preparation step puts the entire airport layout in your pocket. 5. Understanding boarding times. One of the most common mistakes that leads to missed flights, confusing departure times with boarding times, a critical distinction that even experienced travelers sometimes overlook. When your ticket shows a 7:30 p.m. departure, that's when the aircraft is scheduled to leave the gate, not when you should arrive at the gate. For domestic flights, boarding typically begins 30 to 40 minutes before departure, with gates closing approximately 15 minutes prior to the listed departure time. International flights often start boarding even earlier, up to an hour before takeoff, with gates closing 15 to 25 minutes before departure. Once those gate doors close, no amount of pleading will get them reopened. The aircraft has begun its departure sequence, and airline policy strictly prohibits late boarding for safety and scheduling reasons. The foolproof solution: set an alarm on your phone for at least 1 hour before your scheduled departure time. This simple habit ensures you'll never miss a boarding call, whether you're engrossed in a movie, taking a pre-flight nap, or enjoying airport amenities. Interestingly, arriving too early at your gate can backfire. Gate agents planning for full flights often scrutinize carry-on bags of passengers who arrive exceptionally early, making you more likely to have your bag checked involuntarily. The sweet spot is arriving at your gate 40 to 50 minutes before departure, punctual without making yourself a target for bag checks. 6. Comfort-focused airport attire. Airport fashion has evolved beyond the binary choice between uncomfortable business attire and sloppy sweats. Today's savvy travelers know that comfort and style aren't mutually exclusive, especially during long travel days. The key is selecting versatile, wrinkle-resistant fabrics with strategic stretch. Modern performance denim offers the polished look of traditional jeans with the flexibility of athletic wear. These innovative fabrics maintain their shape throughout long flights while providing crucial comfort during hours of sitting. Layering remains essential for navigating temperature variations between terminals, airplanes, and destinations. A lightweight packable jacket or wrap can transform from a cozy layer during chilly flights to a rolled pillow or back support. Footwear deserves special attention. Opt for slip-on styles that combine support with quick removal at security checkpoints. Compression socks hidden beneath your pants provide medical benefits during flight without compromising your appearance. Beyond comfort, dressing slightly more polished at airports occasionally results in preferential treatment. Gate agents and flight attendants, while professional with everyone, sometimes offer complimentary upgrades to well-dressed passengers when opportunities arise. Remember, your airport outfit needs to serve you through various activities and temperature zones while potentially lasting 12+ hours. Choosing elevated comfort wear allows you to arrive at your destination feeling both refreshed and presentable. 7. Strategic check-in line selection. The final hack involves psychology and airport staff workflow patterns that can significantly reduce your time in check-in queues. When faced with multiple economy check-in lines, position yourself in the line closest to the business or first-class counter. Here's why: once premium passengers have been processed, agents at these priority desks often pull passengers from the nearest economy line rather than waiting for their next premium customer. This means you could be called to a priority desk where you'll typically find more experienced agents accustomed to providing efficient, high-quality service. These senior staff members often process passengers more quickly and are better equipped to handle special requests or resolve issues. The positioning strategy works particularly well during off-peak hours when there are fewer premium passengers checking in. Just ensure you're clearly in the economy line, not accidentally standing in the priority queue itself. This approach can reduce your wait time by up to 50% compared to joining lines further from the premium counters. It's a subtle positioning choice that experienced travelers make instinctively but rarely share openly. For additional efficiency, complete any possible check-in steps online before arriving at the airport. Having your boarding pass and documentation ready ensures your time at the counter is minimal, regardless of which line you choose. Found these airport hacks helpful? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for weekly travel tips. Share your own airport secrets in the comments below. Our community loves discovering new travel tricks. For more on 2025's airport security changes, check out our in-depth video linked in the description. Safe travels until next time.